Hello, 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 guys. Hey, 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 hey. Nice to see you, team. The time right now is 9:30 p.m. and we are here back again with our fourth day of the corporate learnings, everybody. Yes, yes, yes. This is an amazing life, and every single day gives you an opportunity to grow. Okay, and when you want to grow, nobody else can pull you back. So that's the reason you should always have the growing mindset, everybody, because time is passing by. Yes or no, people? You know it, I know it, and you have to make the most of time when you have it. Okay, so when growth comes, you have to massively value it. Okay, don't waste your time. Don't do things which is not going to give you value. Okay, so that's what we're here. We are again, guys. Quick talk. Okay, I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Directly to the point, core concepts I want to tell you, people. Okay, and whatever I learned, maybe just summarized for my entire day, some of the key observations, key learnings for you people, and I just want to summarize it in a matter of my like, just 15 minutes, guys, and that's enough. Fine. So, chalo, let's get started. So, a lot of things happened basically today, team. Okay, a lot of things happened today as part of the industry experience, and wanted to share one very key observation. Okay, there were multiple discussions going upon, and we were talking to a different people from different backgrounds. Okay, and one observation, you know what happens? Okay, along with time, the system evolves, right? The system evolves along with time. You take any project, so the project keeps evolving with the time. And if you know that if you join a small scale startup or a medium scale company, so you would definitely be getting an opportunity to learn a lot and involve end to end in the project flow. I would seriously like encourage and recommend you people, in the starting of your career, go as part of the small scale organizations. Okay, guys, paisa doesn't matter. You need to understand here life mein na, if you become somebody na, money will come to you. Many people like ek do lakh ke liye na, they don't care ki chalo ek do 2 lakhs are more. You don't understand how much damage that 2 extra lakhs will be doing in a long term career. Okay, you need to understand, guys. Many a times I have like quit like whatever package I'm having. If when I interviewed, okay, I got more packages, even like 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs more, but I chose to not go there. Okay, why? Because I know what my long term vision is. I want you people to understand that people, you know what, just for 1 lakh 2 lakh now they are ready to switch jobs. नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं वहाँ पे करेंगे just for 2 lakhs. अरे 2 lakh बहुत मिल रहा है. Small, guys, that's a narrow thinking. If you really want to succeed in life na, think a long term game. Where will I get a chance to learn? Their money will definitely, even though, guys, less money is there, but if you are growing na, future में जाके your career is going to rocket. And you need to understand this mindset, you need to change immediately. Don't just switch jobs for the sake of 2 lakhs or even 3 lakhs at times, guys. I want you people to think about, if you are getting a chance to learn, you should go there, be it a high paying job or a low paying job, but as long as you are getting a exposure to learn, you should go there. And now, why I'm saying that, when you join a medium scale company or a small scale company, guys, paisa doesn't matter. I'm not keeping the money equation out here. And I want you people to also evolve in your mindset. Okay, life is a long term game. If you go to small or medium scale company, guys, you as a person will be getting a exposure to work on a project end to end. And that is what has been my life, end to end, guys. Nothing but from the time you get the requirement, you develop it, you test it, you deploy it on multiple environments, UAT, production. After going to production, there are bugs coming even with that. So end to end cycle will be there, working with repository, QA teams, developer, UI, server, everywhere, when you are working in a small scale organization or a medium scale organization. And you know what, guys, when you happen to work on big brands, guys, big brands have evolved to a position where they have a system for everything. You just have to go, click a button. There is a system which is designed by some intelligent guys, maybe some hungry for more people. In their time, they evolved the system. The company evolved since the past 20 years, 30 years. And now, guys, people will not be even knowing where the production system is deployed, where the log files are, where is the database. Nobody even knows that. That's so much abstracted. Tech team is completely different, the remaining infrastructure is completely different. And guys, some systems evolved so much, okay, in the branching, right? When you are doing project development, you write branching hierarchies. You would not even know how these branch merging and all those things are going. Nothing, but you will not have a visibility of how the end-to-end project development is happening. Everything is abstracted. Guys, they don't and they have to do it, guys. Okay, if right now I want to do it now, I am that brain who will think along with my team member to design a system like that, which is going to be used by many people. Guys, you need to understand, a accidental mistake of one of a team member, the system cannot allow that compromise to happen. Yes. So when big systems evolve, okay, the big system evolves, so you need to understand, okay, we cannot allow compromise. For example, if some new joiner comes or a junior comes, he deletes some code or he deploys something on the server which breaks the system. Ideally, the system cannot take that hit. So now the main challenge here is we need to build up a system which will run efficiently regardless of whether talented people are there or not there in the team, because system doesn't want to be at the mercy of the team members. And that is where big companies evolve to that position, where they develop systems which takes care of all such things automatically, where there are processes which takes care of all such things automatically. But when these systems and the processes comes, there is so much of abstraction that as a end individual, very less interaction you'll get about the end to end process. And that is where, guys, again, I'm highly recommending in your initial years, initial 3 to 4 years, guys, massively telling you people, work in small to medium scale companies. Don't much care about the money. Even if you're getting some money which is okay and enough for survival and basic income is there, just take it away. Focus on learning in the initial years. The more you learn, future mein jaake your life will be benefited. I have seen people initially big packages and later on less knowledge, life may not getting opportunities because they never learned. How will they grow if you don't have the knowledge? That's what, as part of the today's session, want to tell one very important thing. Okay, and the second thing, guys, okay, with regards to responsibility, okay, in the IT, people have this wrong mindset ki bhai, because you are paying me this much now, so I'll work only this much. Guys, don't have such narrow minded negative mentalities. It might be hard to hear, but there are many people like that in the industry. If you pay me less, I will work less. For me, if I want to perform to my best capability, you have to pay me more package. This mindset is there, guys, and let me tell you, these people will never become great in their life. And I can give it in writing, guys, that's the truth. The people who think like this now will never become great in their life. You have to change the mindset, guys. Money is irrelevant. You have to focus on your knowledge and growth. If you are growing now, then others will be forced to justify by money. If the current company is not doing it based on your capability, you can switch the job and get that much of money. But guys, because you came up with the excuse, guys, any excuse you prepare for not working hard, basically you will lose in life. If you can come up with like money as an excuse, your family situations, your schooling background, your college background, your friend circle, your manager, or anybody, you come up with 1,000 excuses, okay, why you are not working hard. Let me tell you, the excuses are irrelevant. If you don't work hard, your career is compromised. You need to really understand that what is important in industry is hard work, dedication, commitment, without any excuses. At any time there will be 1,000 excuses to give, but you need to choose to find and tell to oneself, I am going to work as hard as possible, as smart as possible, and in the initial days as long as possible as well. Guys, there are many people great, they became great in their life, millionaires, big owners of the organization. They said while they were in their entire 20s, nothing but from the age of 21 to 30, they said we worked every single Saturday. We worked every single Saturday. Sometimes they said we even worked for like Sundays also. All 7 days was working for us. And now after 30, they have big empires. You need to understand, you want shortcut? It does not exist. Okay, it does not exist, guys. Without hard work, without commitment, without consistency, if you just come up with reasons for not working hard, you will never be able to get greatness. And this is my true IT observation. Those who say I want to become great, but those who come up with excuses that I won't be putting my efforts because of so and so circumstances, these people will never become great. There is only one thing: you should think I want to become my best. And the second thing is, excuses will not matter. Work as hard as possible to become your best. That's it. And these are the people who grow pretty great in the IT industry. And that is what I want to tell you, people. Right from the beginning of your career, install this mindset. Because let me tell you, the initial 0 to 4 years, 0 to 5 years that you spent in the industry, the knowledge that you acquire there, that knowledge is the foundation for remaining 20 years of your life. Some people get seriousness after 5, guys, but come hota hai result. Okay, if you really become serious right from the beginning na, after 5 years you'll enjoy your life. But if you're compromising in the beginning, बाद में फिर कितना भी, guys, let me tell you why this problem happens, let me tell you simple stuff. 0 to 5, guys, you're fresh from the college, sparky brain, wants to face challenges, wants to do great things. Once you cross certain age na, relax ho jata hai mind. Unless you are doing it really something to keep it sharp, your body relax. Arey, money is coming, this is there, that is there, EMI is running, so now there is a concern that what will happen to my job and all. Automatically the spark dies. And that's the reason many people after 5 years, 10 years na, fir uske baad that drastical growth is not seen in people. Many, I'm talking about majority, there might be exceptions in every field that is there. So that's where I want to urge you, people. 0 to 5 years of your industry is the time where you have energy, dedication, hunger for growth. Don't spoil it because of some negative minded people. When, guys, when you go inside the IT industry, you will find some negative minded people who will be like, why are you putting in so much hard work, nothing is going to happen, let's party, let's chill, let's do this, let's do that. You will find such people. If you get into their influence, your entire career of next 20 years is going to go for a toss. And I've seen it happening. In my team, somebody joined having 7 years of on paper experience. On paper, yes, 7 years, worked in genuine company, 7 years. Package is also that much because somehow he knew how to crack the interview, what to talk, what not to talk, came into the floor. Not able to perform. He's not even able to perform to another team member of my team having even 4 years of experience or even 3 years of experience at times. Yes, I have experts in my team, that's a different case. But somebody, when he says 7 years, not able to even match the standard of a 3 to 4 years of experience candidate, what will such people do, right? And what did we do? We fired him. Simple. It was no hard feelings, guys. If you are not really getting results, the world does not care. Sad reality. Okay? The world values you as long as you are valuable. Yeah? It's not an emotional world out there, guys. It's a practical world. The IT industry is a practical industry. You know what? Okay? We were reading about Netflix culture. What is the working culture of Netflix? And Netflix says we are a team of like sportsmen. Okay, and guys, what is sport? If you really want to become a member of Indian cricket team international level, you need to be as productive as the other 10 people. Yes or no? In 11 member team, everybody's contribution matter and you should be as good as that. And then what happens if you're not performing? You get replaced by somebody else. This is the IT industry as well. There is no scope for drama, emotion, tears, nothing matters. If you are worthy, your position is there. If you are not worthy, it will be replaced by somebody who is more deserving than you. So if you want to come up with 1,000 excuses for not working hard, let me tell you, a day will come where your juniors who are ready to be committed to work hard will replace you very easily because their packages are low, but they have that fire and hunger to win life. And very smoothly you will be replaced. And you need to understand that your growth is what matters throughout your IT industry. This is what I want to say as part of today. Small 15 minutes, but the value, if you really understand, can shape up your next coming 20 years of the industry. So have the right mindset and get all that you deserve and you want in life. This is me, Tausif Sheikh, signing out for the day 4 of our corporate learning. Keep showing up every day. Some value is definitely going to be coming to your way. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you. Take care of yourself and keep growing. Life is beautiful only when you deserve that beauty. And I want to say, you deserve it, guys. You deserve it. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you all. Yup, yup, yup.